How to identify supply chain bottlenecks. Imagine your supply chain as a busy highway with cars moving smoothly. Now picture a traffic jam that slows everything down. That's what a bottleneck does in a supply chain. It's a point where flow gets stuck, causing delays and inefficiencies. To find these trouble spots, start by mapping out every step from raw materials to the final customer. Write down each process, like sourcing, manufacturing, warehousing, and shipping. Once you have this map, analyze where delays happen most often. Look for stages where materials or products sit waiting longer than usual. If you see a lot of inventory piling up before one process, that's a sign of a bottleneck. Check how long items spend in each stage. If one step takes much longer than others, it's likely the problem area. For example, if packaging takes twice as long as assembly, it might be a capacity issue. Observe the movement of goods. If transfer times between stages are slower than expected, that points to a blockage. Also, watch for queues or backlogs. When work in progress builds up before a process, it means that step can't keep up. Capacity utilization is another clue. When a process is running at full speed constantly, it's probably a bottleneck. Think of a machine that runs all day without downtime. It's likely the limiting factor. To find the root cause, ask why repeatedly. If packaging is slow, ask why. Maybe the machine needs maintenance or the staff isn't trained properly. This is called the 5 whys technique. It helps trace the problem back to its source. Using technology makes this easier. Enterprise resource planning systems give real-time data on lead times, inventory, and throughput. If a dashboard shows delays in a specific area, you know where to focus. Warehouse management systems can reveal congestion points inside storage facilities. Monitoring data like cycle times and order fulfillment rates helps catch issues early. Practical steps include reviewing capacity data at each stage to see where demand exceeds supply. Watch physical flow for congestion or idle time. Talk to workers who handle daily operations. They often see problems firsthand. Keep buffer inventories before suspected bottlenecks. If these buffers grow over time, it's a sign that the process is a constraint. In the end, finding bottlenecks is about understanding your entire process, watching key metrics, and using tools to see where delays happen. Once you identify these points, you can work on fixing them to make your supply chain run more smoothly and efficiently.